The Angelo Decor 1250 and 2500 gallon per hour pumps are super energy efficient and feature the pump jacket filter accessory. The package also includes multiple connection accessories designed to attach to the threaded 1.5-inch output. These pumps also feature a flow control dial to control any external water features. Removal of the filter basket shows the threaded input, allowing the use of those connection accessories if using the pump with external filtration. Removing the volute at front allows access to the magnetic rotor, which is the key ingredient of these pumps. This magnet should be well maintained, keeping it free from any hard water mineral buildup. You can also remove the bottom plate should you wish to place the pump on its side for a more discreet operation. These pumps are designed for clean water operation and properly maintained should provide years of service. These features and accessories provide value and convenience for your water feature needs.